Welcome to DLFX Guide, and in this video we're going to do a quick comparison. Which is better, or which CRM is better for you? Is it Folk CRM or Attio? So the core difference between both of them, Folk is lightweight and personal CRM, and contacts, email sequences, LinkedIn outreach. For Attio, it's not built for personal use. You'll not be able even to use your personal email to create an account. You'll need a company email or basically a business email. And it's full-fledged data-driven CRM, relational data, pipelines, advanced automation. For the ease of use, Attio, it has a smooth UI too, but it's more flexible. It has some custom objects and AI or workflows. Folk, it is super simple setup. Spreadsheet like the UI Chrome extension for LinkedIn. Of course, for the features and integrations. For the data example enrichments, Folk has one-click contact info. Attio, it is rich AI-driven insights. For the automations, Attio's example has some advanced workflows and AI fields. And for Folk, it is basic email sequence. For reporting, Folk has limited analytics, and for Attio, it has customer report pipelines, deal matrix. And basically for integrations, Attio can integrate with OpenAI, webhooks, Zapier, and Make. And for Folk, it can integrate with Gmail, Calendar, Zapier. For the pricing, of course, Folk is about $20 to $25 per user per year for entry. And from premium, I guess it's $50. For Attio, of course, you can click on subscribe here and see more. This is the exact prices. This exacts everything. For Attio's example, let me just go here and click on pricing. And here we are. They have an example free plus pro with the plans that you can see here. You can see here more to compare an example between them. This is annually, and this is the price monthly. Annual monthly. And just a final verdict. So choose Attio or Attio if you need a data-rich scalable CRM with customer workflow, pipeline management, and AI features, and open APIs. For Folk, you'll be able to use it if you want a clean, fast CRM for contact management, email campaigns, and LinkedIn outreach. So that's basically it. That's a comparison, and it's time for you to choose what's the best for you that suits your needs. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.